Wonder shall never end, my people. Oh my God, wetin happen to these two couple? E go shock everybody. This one happen for Osun State, Nigeria. These two couple wanna see, so they come meet there for inside heart say they bear RIP. And where they locate the thing put now na the hand of the 10-year-old pikin wey be their house help, my people. I go explain this matter well as una go take understand am. This one dey very very strange, guys. Watch this video till the end. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Anytime una take come across this very video, abeg, if today na your first time when you take dey come across this YouTube channel, make you no fail to hit on the red subscribe button in case you don't first subscribe here before. Thank you, and God Almighty go bless you. My name na Africa Jama First Lady. My people, this thing when it happen so for our country Nigeria, these two couple, as you see there, they get two children wey don still grow comot for house, and they can't get house help wey be 10 years old, where they look after them, they help them, you know, has help. So that very day when this thing happened, on the 1st of October, on Friday, on the 1st of October, now these people bear RIP. Wetin happen as the people bear RIP, the house help when they help them no bear RIP because they claim say generator na he happen, but generator happen e also suppose affect the 10 years wey they stay with them, my people. Abi no be so? Okay, make we go further. Now that 10 years old cry come out, and as he cry come out, before you know, neighbor people come, they call see say these two people bear RIP for inside their own house. They try to know wetin give these people RIP. The small pikin wey dey with they say no, we don't know wetin give the RIP. So people call they like, been at this pikin, maybe somebody plan with her, can't give her poison, make this pikin come put for their food, or how it happen like this. So before you know, police can't involve for the issue. Police can't need to take over of this matter. So unfortunately, the two children when this man and this woman born, no see money break come in, they do autopsy. Something dey strange for this place, so make una wait. So my people, una see this our sister una go see right here when I just show a picture now. They see her for Lagos, I think na Lekki phase 1. So that place now, therefore, say, I beg, I go drop the number there. They don't know who know her. I beg, if you see her picture, just contact the number wey go there for comment section below for this video. I beg that they look for who know her. She dey confused, she did the way she just stayed there for that picture. So, and they need who know her, guys. Please, if you know her, make you collect that phone number, make you call the people wey find her right now. She miss her way and something. Now see how she take there. So this matter can enter police hand, my people. They can't try to know wetin happen. They can't ask this small pikin when he dey for 10 years, say wetin happen to your oga and your madam. The small pikin self no see anything explain. She don't know. The pikin say no. Now he continue to dey talk, or she continue to dey talk. So from there now, the police call need to hold the body. You know how they be now. They need to check and do autopsy for this body. But since money no, they trust our country. No money, nothing. They go further. Since the two children when this couple don't born before, they don't grow. Those one don't still married. They their own. They don't see money bring. But before you know, those who are costing us, say, I beg go. We need the mama. May they go bury. They can't go bury this. They can't carry these two people. They can't go bury them without autopsy, my people. We they not do, make they know. But the thing when they try tell una for year now be say, forget say neighbor. Some people they say generator. They don't really know what happen to them. According to the news right now, the way the news when it come now say this pikin so be like person when enemy of this family use to take reach this family, my people. This one they very very sad. Make we dey careful. Now make me they talk this very video now. Now they try to say na generator, but nothing to confirm say na generator. As generator, if generator give person RIP, the house as they come pick them, the smell suppose they around, my people. Nobody be baby here. Please just listen. Wetin dey happen for Nigeria these days? Only God na go help that country. So now this 10 years pikin. Now wetin police they try know. Anybody use you against this family, or somebody wey don't they want make it give RIP to this family, can't use you. Now don't say Nigeria nothing they no fit do. give you, because according to the news right now, we just come before they make this video, say these people were the president. So the president, then they can conclude like, oh, now generator, and the other people, they say no, it fit be generator. They need to continue to ask this 10 years old pikin wey they help them. Somebody give you something to call give them eat. Somebody give you something to call put for their food. Wetin happen to these people? Nothing no go fit happen for that our country as far as Nigeria is concerned, my people. Only one thing why I say they blame the children of this woman right now. Now when they no fit take go fit borrow money, it be good make they know wetin really happen to their parents, if to say they really cherish them. E good make dem be know, but now when they don't know wetin happen, they just carry two of them go drop like that. Una no wan do case, una no wan find this one. I think e dey disrespectful and e dey really bad. Trust, believe me, my people, e no good. E good make dem know wait. No be say dem go dey suspect say according to the news right here, you go dey suspect maybe na generator, maybe na this, but police get another eye for this matter. Police be try to do something. You understand? But now, as me I dey talk to una now, the children and the police can't get wahala together. Police they accuse the children, they say police no fit bring autopsy. Police they tell them say now una suppose bring money to take do this autopsy. Make we take know wetin happen to una mama. We no fit pay because the money dey expensive. My people, now they hear so. The money dey expensive, we not go fit pay by ourselves. Na there be the wahala matter wey dey now. And these innocent people, they go drop them for ground, go bury them like that. Or Thursday, they can go bury them. My people, this one dey good. I think it not dey good. Those children suppose know your papa, your mama, their papa, mama die in a way where it get the way it be. If that small pikin wanna see so, say somebody use her against this family, they go know. Because anything can happen in that country. This pikin, now only she they enter the house. Now only she know the inner heart of these two couple. Now they with them, because the rest, they get two children. Their two children don't grow. They don't go marry their own. So now this 10 years old pikin, they deal with them. And this thing, if na really say na according to the news now, say na really generator, my people, you know, suppose me meet people wey go call carry them. Make we use brain here. Okay, now the other people they talk says this pikin know a whole lot of things wey happen to these people, because these people, as RIP happen to them, they be like who they give poison. But now you see, now too much that they talk now, they be like who they give poison, and no other person they enter their house apart from these 10 years. Now they go in her heart. Either somebody use these 10 years against them to drop these two people. They be business people. They okay, you know. So either they use them or another way, my people. This world of today when they live, it get the way it be. I go one drop this video here. What you not think? Has where generator, una no see the one wey happen for Benin that day. When they want to carry this thing, una no see as everybody gbalegbe, because that place, the thing still they smell. Abi, the people wey enter, they go they cough, but nothing like that. This one's just like that, jeje, like who they just give poison, and people still continue to they argue. And now the children they talk say na police fault, they for do autopsy. And police, trust Nigeria police, they don't follow you, they do what you do. They don't get money to take do autopsy. I mean. So this one they very sad. If you get housemate, make you look well. For me, anything can happen these days. My name is African Jama First Lady, one of those land, aka YouTube Cool. You guys already know. Bye guys, stay blessed. Subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. You think say that has help now he poison this couple on a generator now really key them. Just drop your comment. Bye.